really good to see how everything's turned out, particularly seeing the improvements it's made to the street. What used to be a couple of empty car parks, we've now got this nice row of houses from discussions with the council who wanted something to try and lift the local area. We've now got more of a community with houses for families to live in.
Everybody on the project has worked really well together. It's been a partnering exercise from start to finish. I think one of the big benefits on this project is that we were able to get the contractor involved very early on in the scheme, well before we started on site. And so they were party to a lot of the early discussions. They were involved in solving a lot of the design problems right at the start. It's really great to come back to the project now that it's finished, to see what we've achieved here, to see a rundown area of Gainsborough regenerated, and particularly on this project to achieve Code for Sustainable Homes Level 5.
The elements in this building for making the Code for Sustainable Homes Level 5 has been quite varied and obviously very technically challenging. The benefits of these sustainable technologies means that the tenants have reduced energy bills over time and also reduces the carbon footprint, which helps towards the zero carbon emissions.
The partnership effort has been really successful. Been really pleased with the honest and open relationship that we've all had between ourselves. In particular, I think credit should go to Robert Woodhead for the way they've delivered the new build and the refurbishment. They are very much into sustainability, they're very proactive, and they've had a really good attitude to bringing these units forward.
One of the main challenges on this project was obviously we had the new build element, which was Code 5, but the refurbishment, we tried to get it above building regs. Within this, we had to reinstall ground floor slabs, put independent walls in with insulation in, and obviously put insulation within the roof, and actually got it above building reg standards, which was a great team effort really. On this project we've furthered the sustainable elements of it, and we've actually linked it with Longhurst and TSB, the monitoring project.
The aims and the objectives of the project is to make sure that the buildings are performing as designed. And so when the architects and the contractors on site have put them all together and the people are living inside them, that they're actually performing to the energy criteria and the performance criteria that we were expecting. So we're going to be doing that over the next 2 years. Schemes like this are really, really important because building regulations are changing, and they're going to be continuing changing on an energy basis up and beyond through to 2016. And so it's very important that we make sure that the homes that are designed are working properly.
We're really pleased with how the project has sort of come along over the last 18 months or so. Obviously with the offices only being about sort of 100 yards away or so, we've been able to sort of really have close contact with the build and the development, which has meant that we've seen it sort of come from being sort of two disused car parks and our old office to what it is now. In a sort of very short space of time with limited resources, we've actually managed to transform only a small area of Gainsborough, but one that's key really in terms of its regeneration. So the fact that we've been able to sort of mobilise quickly, work with good partners and actually demonstrate that as a council we can use our money effectively and use our assets well, that's what I'm most proud of, and hopefully that's something now that we can sort of put across moving forward in terms of demonstrating our sort of skills to deliver, and the fact that we do want to improve the area for the people that live here.